Does anyone see a way out?
I see a bright light.
Well, don't go towards it.
Guardians of the Galaxy. How many times do I have to kill you?
Stall her, Peter.
The audacity that you thought you could rob me.
For the record, we weren't all on board with the plan.
Thanks, Quill. Why not sell the clothes right off my back?
Do you know what I did to the last people who thought I was easy prey?
You let him go?
I got nothing. We're trapped.
Lady Hellbender, let us settle this honorably. I will face you in combat.
Honorably? Your offer is worthless, Destroyer. There is no escaping my wrath!
I can work with that.
Dweller! Feast upon them!
Okay, that's
A true monster.
Well, let's make it truly dead.
What does she feed this thing?
If we're not careful, us!
We're gonna get flattened if we don't deal with those arms! Surprise!
Destroy them, mine!
This thing could swallow us in one bite!
All creatures eat and are eaten.
This lady's got anger issues! You have no justice!
End this now!
Big guy is not back!
Now's our chance!
Dweller, you are wounded! What? Pay for that! Crush them!
Bust out the smart bombs!
Now we know what kind of monster Hellbender likes!
Little late for that!
I hope it hurts! Now, attack! I'm ready! Just find me an opening!
It will not be so fearsome when it has no arm! What is next, Peter Quill?
Rocket! Blast him!
The beast is truly formidable!
If it bleeds, we can kill it!
She sure knows how to hold a grudge!
You make that sound like a compliment!
Go get them!
Do not cower behind your pet!
Just focus on the thing trying to kill us! Bombs away, Rocket! Okay, so maybe this wasn't the best plan!
We ain't dead yet!
Guy. Thank me later!
We will need to fell this foe one appendage at a time!
Destroy them, my pet!
Nothing some water and fresh soil won't fix!
Crush them! What? No!
Hold him down! Mince him! What does she feed this thing?
You are about to find out, Guardian! Mend yourself!
Look! It's sucking picking up that group!
No! Not again! Enough toying with them! End this!
All right, crowd control!
Don't forget about the big one!
And beware the spine protrusion!
Don't have to tell me twice!
I commend your effort, Lady Hellbender!
How about our effort? What flavor do you think that one was?
My great strength goes underutilized!
Last time someone got stabbed! Yeah! Now! Attack!
Ready!
Swarm
Let's do this!
my pet!
Think these jiggle cubes go to jiggly heaven?
Beats me! It's dead now, though!
Now! Swing! Now! Overwhelm them! Good! Again! Go! Get them!
Round them up, group! Like we don't have enough problems already!
Hey, at least the jellyface die real good!
She's not gonna let this one go!
That's a problem for later!
You must be my pet. We've got to freeze it in its tracks! Curse you! Destroy them, my pet!
Come on, you overgrown octopus!
Just give me an opening!
Ha! Jiggly and deadly! What gives?
Peter Quill, unleash me onto these fools!
This has got my name on it!
Hey, Quill! Want to see some fireworks?
Guys, huddle up!
I know! It's like they want me to keep blowing them up. And I gotta admit, every time they go splat, it paints an awfully nice picture. There's no way we lose today, Quill!
Come on, guys! They're not the first ones to try us, and they won't be the last. There's been 1,000 before them, and they've all found out fast. Guardians don't break.
But we do seem to be taking a break.
Because, who's with me?
You are
Way to kill the
idea.
mood!
Quill!
Bit easier
Odds
this
are no
time.
match for your sword, assassin!
Crush them! Now! Attack! Curse you! We're about to have more problems! I'm on it!
Prepare for pain! Ah! I commend your effort, Lady Hellbender!
How about our effort?
Mend yourself!
Don't let it heal, Quill!
My dweller! What have they done to you? This ends now! Rain fire upon them!
Those things are hot and heavy! Get it?
No!
They could be useful!
You want to get burned!
Heads up! We're about to have more problems!
Oh, man! Why would they have blades in them?
I'm ready! Just find me an opening!
I got all these toys! I'm just dying for you!
Your own weapon shall be your downfall!
As long as we don't miss!
Feel that heat, Guardian!
The explosive could be useful in food!
Heads up!
Cut them open!
Who put razor blades in the candy?
The end draws nigh, Lady Hellbender!
Do not beat
Coming!
Take heed of the explosive, Peter Quill!
We're about to have more problems!
Guys, we did it!
They live! Bring me Nasha!
Everybody grab a bike! Made it out in one piece.
We still need to get out of here and fast.
Everybody strap in!
Now that was a ride.
This is no time to celebrate. We have made an awful mistake.
And an awful amount of cash.
There is no escaping Lady Hellbender's wrath.
We'll see about that.
What the? Guys, hold on!
Your bones are mine, Guardians of the Galaxy.
She will hunt us to the end of the universe.
Who gives a scut? We got off that mudball with the money, didn't we?
Money that you forced us into stealing.
Yeah, well, what about that smash and grab on Satopia? I didn't hear you complaining then.
Lady Hellbender is not a bank.
Yeah, that's right. Because if she was, we'd have way more loot.
Whoa, 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 whoa. One problem at a time.
Lady Hellbender will seek her revenge. Mark my words.
Then she'll have to get in line. First, I gotta call Corel.
The sooner we get this fine paid, the better.
Yeah, so we can go back to focusing on being broke.
That's weird.
Is money all that you think of, rodent?
No, I also think about bombs.
And booze.
Bombs made out of booze.
Nikki,
Is it true? Really?
there's something wrong with the connection.
Did you twist the thingy?
Yeah, no dice. Nikki, is your mom around? I really need to talk to her.
She's with me. Inside me. After you left, we went to the quarantine zone. I sent the board and there was dark fog.
Did you try narrowing the band?
First thing I tried, it's gotta be something else. I'm losing you, Nick. Can you put your mom
I
on?
knew you were bad. Tonight. I knew the Raker said it was a miracle.
I think something has happened to the girl.
Yeah, it's called She's Novacore.
Can you fix it?
Yeah, keep your star pants on.
I was right.
I'll go check the array.
I can bring her back. I need them all back. I just have to...
Rocket!
Look at what it did! It chewed everything! The scut!
Rocket, relax. It's just an array.
Just an array. Look at it, Quill. Where am I gonna get the parts to fix that? It's flarked! I told you it was a mistake to keep that thing. But did you listen to me? Oh, no! We don't listen to Rocket. He just has to fix the frickin' ship.
I promise we'll get it fixed soon.
Yeah, just like you promised to get your girlfriend to go easy on us? Yeah, okay.
Hey, that's not fair.
You know what isn't fair, Quill? Being the only one who actually seems to give a scut about the Milano. Look, guys, we need the dock to fix the array. Luckily, I know a guy on Nowhere's got the parts we need, and he can get rid of that Nova tracker cheap.
No, we cannot abandon the child. Her behavior was erratic.
The llama thing you chewed the wires, Drax. It was probably just a bad connection. And if we remove the tracker, Corel will make sure the entire Nova Corps fleet is on alert for us.
Gamora's right. We made a promise. I made a promise. See if you can pinpoint where Corel is. We pay the fine.
Quill, are you freaking kidding me?
That way, we don't have to keep looking over our shoulders for Nova on the next job.
If there is a next job.
Sounds like Groot's got that toothy bastard under control. Better not come back here and try to finish chewing through my ship! Or else. Hey, Groot! Is the Chew Devil trying to chew on anything down there?
Oh, nice! You made a cute little pen. You didn't mean to chew up the comms, did you? Looks sturdy enough. You sure it'll be okay in there? Gamora, did you find... Are those dolls?
Yes? No? Doesn't matter. The Halosobe's in the Teo system. Coordinates are in your console.
Okay, Corel, get ready to be impressed.
So you surprised me. Once.